Hello.
Good morning,
Morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning, all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Where are others? Only 38 students. Where are others? I think it is the starting class today. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, where are others? Tell me what we had done previous class.
Last topic was conditional statement.
Conditional statement. Okay. So, today we'll go for biconditional statement. So, write down biconditional statement. Biconditional statement. P implies Q and Q implies P. Let P and Q be propositions. P and Q be propositions. Okay. The biconditional statement. The biconditional statement the double implications Q is the proposition is the proposition P if and only if P if and only if Q. Okay. P if and only if Q. Okay. Completed all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we'll go for the truth table for biconditional statement. Truth table for all of you should write everything in the copy. P Q P double implication. P is true, true, false, false. Q is true, false, false, true, false, false. Okay. See, P will happen if and only if Q will happen. Okay. So, what will be the first one? Truth value?
True.
Okay. Next will be
False.
false. Because one is true, another is false. Second one is also false. And third one is also is true. Because if P does not occur, then Q does not occur. That is true. tell you the example. Okay. Suppose you are P is the proposition. P is the proposition. You can take the flight. You can take the flight. P is the proposition. You can take the flight. Take the flight. And Q is another proposition. You buy a ticket. Okay. So what will be your biconditional statement?
You can take the flight if and
You
only
buy
if you
a
buy it.
ticket. Okay. So can you write this in conditional statement? This one? Can you write this in the conditional statement? Conditional statement is if then. बताओ if then use करो. What you will write? बताओ.
If you buy a ticket, then you can take the flight.
Yes, if you buy a ticket, then you can take the flight. Okay. So the biconditional statement can also be written in terms of conditional statement. So the biconditional statement is you can take the flight. You can take the flight. If and only if you buy a ticket. Okay. Otherwise, you can write this sentence as you can take the flight only if you buy a ticket. That also it can be written. Okay, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed. So next we'll go for tautology. Tautology. Right. What is tautology? A compound proposition. A compound proposition that is always true. That is always true. No matter what the truth values, of the propositional variables of the propositional variables. Propositional variables that occur in it, that occur in it is called a tautology. Okay. So, what is a tautology? We are combining, suppose P is one proposition and another is Q is another proposition. Then we are combining these two propositions, P and Q, using the logical operators. Okay. Then we are getting the compound proposition. If the compound proposition, it always have the truth value. Okay. Truth value T. Okay. Truth value T. Understood? Always it is a true proposition. Then it will be called as a tautology. Okay. I will give you example. First you complete writing. If the compound proposition is always true, then it is called a tautology. Completed all of you? All of you completed or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'm done.
There. Right, example. So that the compound proposition P or negation P is a tautology or not? Is a tautology or not? To show the compound proposition is a tautology or not, first you have to construct the truth table. Okay. Completed? So we are going to construct the truth table for P or negation P. Construct karo, all of you. P, negation P. Okay. Negation P, P or negation P. P is one proposition to true, false. What will be negation P?
False, true.
False, true. So what will be P or negation P?
True, true.
True, true. Okay. See, the compound proposition P or negation P, it is having the truth values true, T. Okay. It is true proposition. So it is called a tautology. Understood all of you what is tautology?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone who cannot understand? Bolo, beta. Anyone who cannot understand? ठीक है, सबको समझ में आया. So what will you write? Because P or negation P is always true. Is always true. It is a tautology. is a tautology. Okay. Completed. Then we'll go for contradiction. 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 A compound proposition that is always false. A compound proposition that is always false is called a contradiction. Called a contradiction. Contradiction. Okay, all of you understood what is contradiction? If
Yes, ma'am.
it is always true, that is tautology. If it is always false, that is contradiction. Okay. Example. So that P and negation of P is a contradiction or not? Contradiction or not? Construct the truth table. I will not tell now. You construct. Similar this one, huh? Find karo. Construct the truth table. Tell me, it is a contradiction or not? All the values are false or not? P
Yes,
and
yes,
negation P. हाँ बता बेटा P and negation P.
Contradiction.
So it will be false. True, false, 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 true, false. P and negation P. So it is a contradiction. Okay, it is a contradiction. Since P and negation P is always false, is always false. It is a contradiction. Contradiction. Okay. Okay, all of you are not understood ना नहीं बताओ.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we will go for contingency. What is contingency? If the compound proposition is neither a tautology nor a contradiction, then it is a contingency. It will have mix of true and false values. Okay. So write down contingency. Contingency. A compound proposition. A compound proposition. A compound proposition that is neither a tautology neither a tautology nor a contradiction nor a contradiction. Is called a contingency. It's called a contingency. Contingency. Okay. N CONTINGNCY. Okay, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
See, suppose I will tell you this one. This truth table for biconditional statement. See here. Biconditional statement, it is also a compound proposition. P double implications Q. It is a compound proposition. See the truth values here. True, false, false, true. It is mix of true and false values. Okay. So it is a contingency. Understood? All of you. Yes or
Yes,
no,
ma'am.
bolo? It is a contingency. Mix of true and false values. Then we'll go for converse, inverse, and contrapositive. Converse, it is important. Converse, inverse, and contrapositive. Okay. Okay, all of you completed. See, understand. We have the conditional statement P implies Q. Okay. You know, the conditional statement is P implies Q. It's the conditional statement. From this conditional statement P implies Q, we can form new conditional statements. Okay. We can form three new conditional statements. One is converse, another is inverse, and another is contrapositive. Okay? Understood? All of you? What I told?
Yes,
Thus,
ma'am.
from the conditional statement P implies Q, we can form three new conditional statements. That is, one is converse, another is inverse, and third one is contrapositive. Okay. So first we will go for converse. What is converse? Converse. All of you should write down. You will show me copy when you will come to the campus. 16 August, you will show me copy. Converse. What is converse first? The proposition. The proposition Q implies P. Okay. The proposition Q implies P is called the converse of P implies Q. Okay. Completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Then inverse. The proposition. The proposition negation P implies negation Q is called the inverse of P implies Q. Okay, all of you. Inverse of P implies Q. Completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we'll go for contrapositive. I'll show you example for 3. Okay. Contrapositive. Contrapositive. The contrapositive of P implies Q is the proposition the contrapositive of P implies Q is the proposition negation of Q implies negation of. You have to remember this three. Okay. Do the problems. It comes in the exam. Converse, inverse, and contrapositive. Completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Example. What are the converse, inverse, and the contrapositive of the conditional statement of the conditional statement the home team wins. The home team wins whenever it is raining. Whenever the home team wins whenever it is raining. Okay. You have this conditional statement. And you know, conditional statement P implies Q. So from this conditional statement, now you tell me what is the proposition P, what is the proposition Q. All of you, tell me what is the proposition P? क्या हुआ? बताओ.
The home team wins.
The home team wins. Wait. The home team wins. The home team wins. Okay. What is the proposition Q? What is the proposition Q? Tell.
It is raining.
It is raining. It is raining. So first you should write what is your P, what is Q. It is raining. Okay. So first, see what will be the converse of this statement. What is converse? Q implies P. So batao, what will be Q implies P? It's very easy. Batao. Batao.
If it is raining, then the home team wins.
Yes. Yeah, conditional statement Q implies P means only you will use if then. If it is raining, then the home team wins. Okay. See, all of you here, one thing you see here. The home team wins whenever it is raining. Okay. If we write this in a conditional statement, P implies Q. Okay. So what will we write? P implies Q. We have to use. This way you could write, but you use in your book like. See. This you can write, no problem. It is be okay also. No problem. If you write like this. But will you use if then? Because I have told you in if then. Achha. See here. All of you see this conditional statement. Here, the home team wins whenever it is raining. Okay. So first you write this statement in P implies Q using if then. First you write. Then you will go for Q tends to P. Getting all of you what I am telling?
Yes, ma'am.
First, this statement which is given to you, you write in the form P implies Q. Means use if then. Okay. First write the statement like this. Then it will be easy for you also. You can do all the statements what will given to you that you can write easily. Okay. So if I write this in using if then, so what will write? Batao beta, what will write? This statement will write using if then.
If it is raining, then the home team wins.
Yes. That is easy for you because all the statements you can do like this. It will be easy. So we can write this as if it is raining. If it is raining, then the home team wins. If it is raining, then the home team wins. Okay. And now you see from this conditional statement, You can easily know what is P, what is Q. Can you know or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That method you can do, no problem, but you do like this because some sentences, conditional statements will be given to you. You have to write like this first. So like this way you do. So here, now you tell me what is P.
It is raining.
It is raining. P, it is raining. It will be easy for you. It is raining. Then Q,
The
What is-
home team wins.
the home team wins. The home team wins. The home team wins. Okay, all of you clear on this now or not?
Ma'am,
Bolo.
I think P should be the home team wins because initially we are given that the home team wins whenever it is raining.
हाँ,
So I think P should be the home team wins and Q should be it is raining.
नो बेटा सुनो मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ सुनो बेटा इसीलिए तो मैं चेंज कर दी ना so that you will not be confused.
Okay, ma'am.
You are going to write the converse, inverse and contrapositive for the conditional statement P implies Q. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I have told you already P implies Q. There you are using if then. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Conditional statement means you are going to use if then. So first you write this statement using if then. That will be easy for you. Okay. And
Okay,
if
ma'am. I get it. Yes, ma'am.
so first you write whatever the statement will be given to you. First you write that in terms of P implies Q using if then. Clear? And if you are using if then, obviously this will be your P, this will be your Q. Because P implies Q.
Yes,
Understood?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Achha. So now it will be easy for you to get the converse. Otherwise you will be confused. So go for converse first. Converse. Converse is Q implies P. Now बताओ क्या होगा? Now you can tell directly what will be Q implies P. बताओ बेटा.
If home team wins, then it is raining.
Okay, simple thing you can do. If the home team wins, then it is raining. Now your converse will be correct. Easily you can know what is in converse. If the home team wins, if the home team wins, if the home team wins, then it is raining. It's raining. Clear? Then go for inverse. Go for inverse. What is inverse? बताओ बेटा, what is inverse?
If
Definition.
it is not raining, then the home team does not win.
अच्छा, inverse is negation P implies negation Q. So what is negation P? It is not raining. It is not raining and negation Q is the home team does not win. Then combine these two using if then. So if it is not raining, if those who cannot understand, you should ask me. If it is not raining, then the home team does not win. Does not win. Clear all of you? Then तुम लोग बताओ अभी contrapositive क्या होगा?
If home team does not win, then it is not raining.
Yes. If the home team does not win, if the home team does not win, then it is not raining. Not raining. If the home team does not win, then it is not raining. Anybody has any doubt on this? And understand, if P and Q, it is already given to you. P is the proposition, Q is the proposition, is directly given to you, then you would do directly, no problem. You can, here, there, you know what is P, what is Q, so directly you find converse, inverse, and contrapositive. Okay, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा मैं और राइट लिखो कॉपी में P is the proposition. तुम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास करके मुझे दिखाना. P is the proposition. लिखे P is the proposition. Ram scores 10 CGPA. Can you write or I will write? Can you write or I will write, all of you?
We can write.
ठीक है. P is the proposition. Rama scores 10 CGPA. Okay. Q is the proposition. His father promised to give a car. Okay. अभी तुम लोग मुझे बताओ इसका कन्वर्स इनवर्स कंट्रापोजिटिव क्या होगा. बोलो बेटा. आशुतोष बोलो क्या होगा इसका कन्वर्स पहले बताओ.
If Rama does not score 10 CGPA, then his father does not promise to give a car.
No, beta. I am asking converse. First tell converse. Converse is Q implies P. बताओ. बताओ बेटा आशुतोष. You know what is P, what is Q? हाँ, only use
Yes,
if
ma'am.
then. हाँ, बोलो. Use if then.
If Ram scores 10 CGPA, then his father promised to give a car. Then its converse will be if his father promised to give a car, then Ram scores 10 CGPA.
Good boy, good boy. Okay. Then Som बताओ बेटा inverse. Inverse
Yes, ma'am,
बताओ.
1 second. If Ram's father does not promise to give a car, comma, then he did not score 10 CGPA.
All of you, is it okay? All of you, is it okay? Inverse.
Yes, ma'am.
No, I don't think it is okay.
I think that will be
Not P
contrapositive.
and not Q.
What is negation of P first, beta? So, inverse is negation P implies negation Q. So, what is negation P?
Sorry, ma'am, I forgot. It will be opposite. I mean, negation P will be Rama does not score 10 CGPA.
Acha. What is negation Q?
His father does not promise to give a car.
Okay. So you combine karo if then say.
If Ram doesn't score 10 CGPA, then his father does not promise to give a car. Sorry.
And his father did not give a car. Okay. Understood? Better, all of you. Acha. Pratikya है तो तुम्हारा 683 रोल नंबर
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ बेटा कंट्रा पॉजिटिव
Ma'am, his father does not promise him to give him a car if he does not score 10 CGPA.
नो बेटा यूज करो ठीक से बोलो नेगेशन पी नेगेशन क्यों क्या हुआ बताओ बेटा पहले नेगेशन क्यों क्या हुआ
His father does not promise him to give him a car.
हाँ नेगेशन क्यों व्हाट इज नेगेशन पी
Rama doesn't score 10 CGPA.
ओके देन कंबाइन करो इफ देन से फर्स्ट इफ देन हाँ बोलो
If his father doesn't promise him to give him a car, then Rama doesn't score 10 CGPA.
okay all of you is it correct
Yes, ma'am.
okay so I think all of you understood now huh?
Yes.
Converse, inverse and contrapositive and it is important also it comes in the exam clear on this any doubt anybody Pucho, anyone any doubt on this
Ma'am, no doubt.
no doubt ठीक है good one so next class we'll go for this truth table no? follow this converse inverse and contrapositive truth table all of you respond to roles 5007
Present, ma'am.
138
Present, ma'am.
171
Present, ma'am.
237 237
Present, ma'am.
273
Present, ma'am.
308
Present, ma'am.
534
Present, ma'am.
62
Ma'am.
652
Present, ma'am.
768
Present, ma'am.
1053
प्रेजेंट मैम
गया ना बीच बीच में कहाँ जाते हो
मैम अभी भी वो फिजियोथेरेपी चल रहा है तो इसीलिए थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक 1158
Present, ma'am.
274
Present, ma'am.
510 सार्थक 533
Present, ma'am.
561
Present, ma'am.
565
Present, ma'am.
581
Present, ma'am.
596
Present, ma'am.
598
Present, ma'am.
599
Present, ma'am.
617
Present, ma'am.
746
Present, ma'am.
792
Present, ma'am.
799
Present, ma'am.
821
प्रेजेंट मैम
855 Supravo
Present, ma'am.
864 Utkarsh 864 I think Utkarsh is present 864
No, ma'am, he is different.
अच्छा अच्छा उत्कर्ष आनंद अच्छा 970
Present, ma'am.
2016,
Present, ma'am.
2039. Sir.
मैम
2040,
देख रहे थे उसका कनेक्ट रिकनेक्ट ज्यादा हो रहा था, आएगा मैम शायद।
2040,
हाँ मैम, प्रेजेंट मैम।
2246,
Present, ma'am.
2406,
Present, ma'am.
2411,
Ma'am, 2246 present.
2246 Chinmoy present. 2411, 2446,
Present, ma'am.
2461,
Present, ma'am.
2605,
Present, ma'am.
2617,
Present, ma'am.
2637,
Yes, ma'am.
2649,
Present, ma'am.
2669,
Present, ma'am.
2673,
Yes, ma'am.
2677,
Present, ma'am.
2679,
Present, ma'am.
2682,
Present, ma'am.
2683,
Present, ma'am.
2709,
Present, ma'am.
2720,
Present, ma'am.
2722,
Present, ma'am.
2725,
Present, ma'am.
2731,
Present, ma'am.
2739,
Present, ma'am.
2821,
Present, ma'am.
2823,
Present, ma'am.
2853.
Present मैम।
79 wrote in the chat box that her mic is not working.
2863,
Present, ma'am.
3203,
Present, ma'am.
3205,
Present, ma'am.
3210, Devans 3210, 3212,
Ma'am, 3210 is present. He's having network issues.
3212, 3213,
Present, ma'am.
3218,
Ma'am, he's getting disconnected. He was there in the class. Just called.
3223,
Present, ma'am.
3232,
Present, ma'am.
3237,
Present, ma'am.
3242,
Present, ma'am.
3250,
Present, ma'am.
3336, Hers 3340,
Present, ma'am.
3345,
Present, ma'am.
3346, Ayush 3362,
Present, ma'am.
3368,
Present, ma'am.
82,
Present, ma'am.
83,
Present, ma'am.
3425.
Present, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, 336 mic's not working, ma'am. Let me just.
Answer?
Ma'am, 679. My mic was not working then.
679. पूरा roll number बताओ.
210-52679.
679. 1 second, beta. One by one, you tell. 2679 to present. Listen, the absent roll numbers. दे दो. हाँ. Listen, absent.
2039. Tisha Maulik.
कौन सा?
I got disconnected, ma'am.
हाँ, roll number बताओ.
Tisha Maulik 2105-2039. 2039.
This is present. It is.
Yes, ma'am. I got disconnected. I'm sorry.
Ma'am, 346 also, ma'am. Ma'am, he's not able to speak.
3.
His mic. 346, ma'am. 3346.
3346.
2105 33346. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So thank you all. Ayush present.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.